Little video summary of the work we're doing down here in the foundation. So here I am at the entrance on the side, and this right here is the one out of the two main beams that are running through the center of the house, perpendicular of the joints here. This is the first main one. We installed 4 new concrete piers between the other ones. Number 1 right there, this is the old concrete pier here. Number 2, number 3, and number 4. All measuring 48 inches, about 4 feet from each other or less. And this is the beam we put in just to support while we installed the new piers. We didn't do any actual movements to anything. We just made sure it was holding the weight a little bit. With this one, this jack. And we leveled all this dirt off. Everything's leveled out. Cleaned up all the trash down here. And this jack, we put it here temporarily while we removed one pier that was right here where this new one is. So we did 5 new piers on this beam that was here. This is the second main beam running down. So this is one new pier here. This you can see here these holes. This is where the old pier that had to be removed. It was kind of in the way of the right distance they should be at. So this is 4 feet from this one to this one. This is the second one. This is where we put our other support temporary one with the jacks. We had another 6-pound 6,000 one there in the middle. We removed it, but you can see it still has 4 total. So again, this is the second one. Here's old pier. Third one on this beam. Third concrete pier. Right there. Old one. Fourth new one. Another old one, and finally the 5th one here. See it sit in there. Okay, and you guys will see in the pictures the process, all the holes, the rebar we put in there. And also just a few cracks that we're gonna seal up with the epoxy. I'll show you guys in the pictures. It's one of the plates we put. We did 3 plates, one right there. You guys will see the other two plates by the entrance. They are over here. You guys will see them in the pictures as well. Right there. And on the other side, see it over there far away. All right, thanks.